Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neza Arsita Dianka. I'm from class 4B and my ID number is 24107042. And today I would like to share my creative response to two videos about plastic entitled A Brief History of Plastic and What Really Happens to the Plastic You Throw Away. Okay, these two videos discuss plastic from different perspectives. The first video explains how plastic was invented and became one of the most important materials in human history. The second video shows what happens to the plastic bottle after we throw them away. After watching both videos, I realized that plastic is not only useful invention but also a serious environmental challenge that we must address together. Okay, the first thing, comparing the two videos. The first video, A Brief History of Plastic, focused on the origin and development of the plastic. It explained that plastic was originally created as alternative to ivory. Over time, scientists developed many different types of plastic because they were cheap, durable, lightweight, and easy to produce. Plastic became an important material used in packaging, transportation, medicine, and many everyday products. On the other hand, the second video, What Really Happens to the Plastic You Throw Away, focus on the consequence of the plastic waste. The video follows the journeys of the three plastic bottles. One bottle is recycled and transformed into a new product. Another bottle ends up in landfill where it might remain for hundreds of years. The third bottle reaches the ocean and becomes a threat to marine life and ecosystem. In short, the first video tells us how plastic became part of our lives, while the second video shows us what happens when we fail to manage plastic responsibility. And my feelings are empty after watching this video. I feel both impressed and concerned. I was impressed because plastic is one of humanity's greatest inventions. It has helped improve transportation, healthcare, communication, and many other aspects of modern life. However, I also felt sad when I saw how plastic waste can harm the environment. The story that touched me that most was the bottle that drifted into the ocean. I imagined the bottle floating for months or even years, breaking into smaller pieces and eventually being eaten by fish or other sea animals. As someone who lives on islands surrounded by beautiful beaches and ocean, I believe plastic pollution is not just a global issue. It is also our local responsibility. When plastic enters the sea, it affects marine animals, damages ecosystem, and threatens the beauty of our environment. So, if I could speak as plastic bottle, I would say I was created to help humans. I carried water and served my purpose, but after only a few minutes of use, I was thrown away. Now, I drive across rivers and ocean. I never wanted to become a pollution. My future depends on the choices people make. This imaginary message reminds us that plastic itself is not the enemy. The real problem is how we use and dispose of it. If we reduce unnecessary plastic use, recycle correctly, and choose reusable products, many plastic items will not end up polluting nature. So, in conclusion, these two videos teach one important lesson. Plastic has brought many benefits to human life, but it has also created serious environmental problems. The future of our planet depends on how responsibly we use and manage plastic today. Um, Plastic recycle properly and help keep our ocean environment clean. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. It helped us to remind us to keep plastic like creative for responsibility. Thank you. Bye bye.